folks, we are at the Bohol Bee Farm. We're going to get an ice cream first because it's hot.
So, sir, ma'am, this is the hive. This is the honeycomb or beeswax. So, there's honeycomb, ma'am, with either wax or saliva. So, we are the one who make the frames and the wire as their guide. Okay? So, this ma'am, in this hive, they have small botas. That's artificial. It isn't artificial. It's not true honeycomb. And one whole naman, sir, ma'am, this isn't a perfect circle, but perfect hexagon side. An hexagon, ma'am, is the strongest foundation because like a building, tower, or under infrastructure. So that's why, ma'am, bees is the best engineer among the insect because they build a perfect, strongest hexagonal foundation. Once hold, huwag lang yung bitawan, ha? Hold tightly and please don't drop. So you're very lucky, ma'am, right now. They have a pin bee. This is the pin bee.
Okay.
Much bigger compared to the workers.
Which one?
It's the pin bee.
Oh, yeah.
It's bigger. But the queen bee is very harmless. But be careful about the worker bees. If you try the queen bee, it will attack the worker bees. This is the queen. So the queen bee, they are only one who produce eggs only.
Where is the queen? Where's the king?
No king.
There's
Only
no
queen.
king.
Wala Jollibee to sa fast food, ma'am. So once hold, huwag niyong bitawan, ha?
Oh. I'm afraid it's so hold.
So hold your friendly.